indoor turbo air prep table. There's my standing pressures. High side, low side. I'm wondering if the high side's actually tapping in. I'm hoping it is. Yeah, it sounds like it is. Getting it off the dryer right there. So I'm gonna get some nitro in there and see if we can find a leak. Should be a good sized leak for it to be flat like that. Let's see if we get anything. Ooh, am I hearing? Is it feeding or leaking? Ooh, I hear the leak. It's probably that condensate. Oop. Yeah, I can hear it in there leaking. Yep. Bubblicious. Let's see if I can get it a little better for you. The leaker. Got you, sucker. Alright, we'll rebuild this condensate loop. This one's all made out of 3/8. Thanks, turbo air. It's pretty good. Looks like we could sweat it off right here. And then probably right here at this elbow. Get it out of there. Refrigeration, guys, breakfast. I didn't have a banana today, but that's what we're going with this morning. Let's get out there and slay it. There it is, the Dixdale control meltdown. This never happened when you had the little mechanical thermostats. You get dirty condenser and you get over amperage. And then that's what you get. Melto. Well, the old condenser fan blade broke apart on this one. Damn lucky it didn't take out the condenser. Super duper lucky.